So today I stopped off at Midas this morning. That's where I was leaving when I made my last video ago. They said they had a Ford 5.0 that has the typewriter ticking noise. And they were about to replace the timing chain on it and the timing set and everything on it and pull this engine apart. I guess they did not get the memo that that noise is actually normal and it's to be expected from that engine. You hear that typewriter ticking noise, it's not an issue. You don't have to panic. You don't have to poop your drawers and think that your engine's going to grenade and blow up. What actually causes that ticking noise? It took me working on four of those engines to figure it out. But it's actually it's a combination of the direct injection and the valve train. The noise that they actually make and the way that it echoes through the actual casting and is what makes that noise. And the viscosity of the oil that they use in that engine exasperates that sound, kind of amplifies it a little bit. It helps amplify it through the actual casting of the engine. But it literally is not an issue that needs to be repaired. It's not an issue that can actually be repaired. Well, it can, but it's really expensive. But it doesn't have to be taken care of. If it's not a slapping timing chain noise, or it's not a bottom end noise, it's just that constant typewriter tick, that tick, 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 tick. Nothing wrong with your engine. Your 5.0 is perfectly fine. It's not going to grenade on you, and it's not going to fall apart on you. But Ford has also, last I knew about it, stated that if that engine does fail because of that ticking noise, they'll give you a new engine. I don't know if that still stands. Don't quote me on that. But the honest truth is, it's nothing to be concerned about. It's nothing to panic about. It's nothing to worry about. It's just common. It's a sound that engine's going to make because of how it was designed. So there you go. A little bit of info. And I saved the customer a crap load of money today. But yeah, his truck will be just fine.